Today we are going to learn how to calculate break-even point when a company sells multiple products. This is one of the most tested concepts in managerial accounting, and we will make it extremely simple. We will walk through two examples, Lobster Inc. and Ayodele Inc. When a company sells more than one product, each product usually has a different contribution margin. Because of this, we cannot simply divide fixed costs by 1 CM value, contribution margin value. We must consider the sales mix and calculate a weighted average contribution margin, or WACM. Lobster Inc. has fixed costs of $55,000. They sell product A with a contribution margin of $4.50 and product B with a contribution margin of $6. A sells 10,000 units and B sells 15,000 units. To calculate WACM, we first compute total contribution margin. $4.50 times 10,000 plus 6 times 15,000 equals $160,000. Then divide by total units, 25,000 units. This gives us the WACM of $5.40 per unit. To find the total break-even units, divide fixed costs by the WACM, 55,000 divided by $5.40, which is 10,185 units, which rounds to 10,186 units. Now we allocated these total units based on the sales mix. Product A is 40% of total units and product B is 60%. So break-even units are 4,074 units of A and 6,112 units of B. For accuracy, we verify by multiplying each unit by its contribution margin. The combined contribution margin is approximately $55,000, which exactly covers fixed costs. Therefore, operating income is zero, confirming break-even. Now let's look at a three-product example: basic, typical, and fancy. We determine each product's contribution margin and sales mix. Using this information, the weighted average contribution margin is $22 per unit. Break-even units is fixed costs divided by the WACM, which is 550,000 divided by 22, which is 25,000 units total. We allocate these based on the mix. 30% basic is 7,500 units, 60% typical, which is 15,000 units, 10% fancy, which is 2,500 units. Again, we multiply units by contribution margin. Basic gives 90,000, typical gives 360,000, fancy gives 100,000. Total contribution margin is $550,000, which covers fixed costs perfectly. Operating income is zero, is expected at break-even. Here are the main points. The WACM is essential whenever multiple products are involved. Break-even must always follow sales mix. Always verify operating income at break-even equals zero. This method is highly testable and extremely useful in real business decisions. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more accounting lessons.